Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. First, you have to open the Bitget Wallet application in your mobile phone. After opening, then you have to scroll down and find the wallet button and click on it. After clicking, you will see many tokens here. Now you have to search your token or find. For example, I select Sol after that. You can the coin also, for example, I changed it to Bonk coin, then enter your amount and then confirm it. And are done. So this all in today's video hope. You must have understood that how to transfer crypto. From Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet, this is the easiest way. There is no easier way than this. So now you can also transfer crypto from the Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks.